ride. Almost at the club.
What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for watching another video here with me on N54 and more. So in today's video, it's going to be a vlog type of video. I've had some unexpected circumstances when it comes to this car, the NIPSEY. I've been cleaning off the pistons. I still want to do those. I used the B12 chem tool and transmission fluid to clean these four, but I want to see what the acetone can do with these other two. So I'll be doing that in another video, showing how to clean off the top of your pistons if you're pulling the head off. Also, there'll be a Vanos rebuild video. I got the whole Vanos kit here, right there. So, yeah, now it's time for the unexpected circumstances. So here's the head that I took everything off of for NIPSEY. I'm pretty sure I showed that in the other video. But I don't know if you guys can see it really well, but right here is a crack. There's a crack in the head right here. So like I've always been saying, my car was heating up really fast. I changed the water pump, thermostat, radiator, expansion tank, both sensors, various hoses. I changed everything and it was still heating up really fast. It wasn't overheating until recently, so I was like, all right, I can't have it overheating. If it overheats too much, obviously the head will warp. Took it to the machine shop, the head is not warped. I already checked it myself with the straight edge, but I wanted to get a professional opinion on it. So took it to the machine shop, it's not warped. But that crack has been my problem this whole time. So there it is once again. This is the crack right here in the number 4 cylinder. None of the other cylinders had cracks or anything, but that is enough to cause my problem. So in today's video, I'll be packing up a ton of tools and everything like that. And me and my boy, we're gonna head to the junkyard, try to grab a quick head, a cylinder head off of the one of these many E46s, M54 engines. I'm pretty sure it's the same head for the 2.5 and the 3.0, but I want to get it off the exact same engine that's in my car, just to be safe. I've got everything else with it already, so all I need is the head. And then I'll take it to the machine shop and get everything done to it. So, without further ado, let's go junkyard diving. Alright, so we made it to the junkyard. We showed up in Lauren, and then you see the my boy's beautiful Audi right there. So now we'll get more into that another time. But we are about to go. I don't know if the sun can see me because I'm dark as hell, but we're about to go into the junkyard, get this head off, and hopefully be out of here as soon as possible. I got a whole bunch of tools. I'll show you all the tools I got. Got basically all my tools and stuff. Got the speaker because you gotta have a speaker while you're working. And I'm gonna make short work of this. Alright, you can't really see me at all, but we found my donor engine. It's actually the same car as mine. It's 330 Ci. So the valve cover wasn't on it when we got here, so we're gonna have to just deal with it. I'm gonna have the shop clean it up and everything. Gonna rip this thing out really quick. The valves and stuff, they weren't protected, so I'm definitely gonna be trying to, you know, get those swapped over from the other head. Hopefully this head isn't cracked or anything wrong with it. So let's go ahead and get this started. Okay, so we got the head off already. Pulling it off, it did not look good already. As you can see in here, there's like milk and stuff here. Signs that you can tell that it was overheating. It's milky like that. I'm pretty sure that's oil and coolant mixing. Thermostat right there is removed. It was cut out. So you know that once it's overheating and they don't want it to build pressure too much, they cut out the thermostat so it's continuously circulating. And then down there, see all that milk that ran out of it? So I don't know if the head is warped or if we haven't looked at it really too much to see if there's any cracks, but I'm not really trusting this one like at all. So we might just grab another one. It'll be easy because we have found another one on the floor, but we'll see which one we go with. Okay, so we weren't confident with that milky one, so we went and came to another one. This one is actually not a 330 CI, but the head is the same, so obviously I'm gonna make sure everything's good with it, and it's already looking a lot more promising than the other one, so I'm happy about that. But just ripping it apart, and we'll be done with it soon, and we'll see what it looks like on the other side. All right, so we pulled off this one. This one is the one off of the 330. This is the other one. I think this one is a 325. I'm pretty sure the heads are the same. One port looks different. Part numbers on it are different. Then this one here came from LKQ already, so I think they already swapped the head on this car. And then where is it? One of the valves right here is cracked. So this is the one that I'm pretty sure is overheating because it was all milky and everything, but I think I'm gonna take this one, bring it to the machine shop and see what they think of it, swap out the valves and everything like that from my other one. I guess we're successful, maybe. We'll see what happens when I end up putting all this stuff in. But until then, I'm gonna head back to the house and start looking over stuff and cleaning up this head a little bit. Okay, so I'm back home. You see the banners, everything. You see the sweet cars. I'm back home. So I am now seeing that I should have got the other one. The one that I did get was this one. She has all the cross hatches on it and all that, just looks different. This area right here is different. You can see the difference in the areas right there. All of this just looks different than this one. So I think what I'm gonna do is head back to the junkyard real quick, swap them out. I'm gonna bring this one back, give it back to them because this is the one that was most likely overheating because you see the milk on it. That milky thing right there. So I'm probably gonna just bring this back real quick and then swap it out. I still got plenty of time. And I want the almost exact identical head. And this is obviously what was in it. So I think I'm gonna stick with this, go back and get another one. So quick junkyard run, carry this back, we'll grab the other one, swap it out, 1-for-1 swap, and we're good. So let's get it, baby. Okay, quick run to the junkyard. Got the other one, as you can see, these are both the same. It looks the same on the insides and everything like that. The other one looked different and I don't want any differences. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna remove the exhaust studs off of it, and then I was gonna clean it up, but it doesn't really make any sense for me to clean it up and then take it to the machine shop, and the machine shop's gonna clean it up for me. So I'm gonna do that now, and then eventually I'll have to pull the valves out, so I'm gonna get a valve tool and pull the valves out, and then we'll see whatever I'll do after. Maybe spray it off with brake cleaner at least. Okay, well I did end up cleaning up the head some, getting all the dirt out of it. I cleaned off the bottom a little bit. I might straight edge it, but then again I really don't care because it's going to the machine shop. And then this is the other one that I'll figure out what I want to do with it. Well, it is nighttime. I'm all greasy, dirty, and ashy. So it's about that time to wrap it up, B. So that'll be the end of this video. So thank you guys for watching another video here with me. Stay tuned for more. There's gonna be more on this whole head and everything. Of course, there'll be more to come with Lauren. She's so sexy. If you haven't already done so, be sure to like, subscribe, drop a comment, turn on notifications, hit that share button. Catch you guys in the next video.